Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lychee Bellini. Super easy cocktail, all we need is 3 ingredients to make it. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need lychee nectar, ginger liqueur, and champagne or prosecco. Alright, we're gonna build it in a glass. We're gonna start with a 1/4 of an ounce of ginger liqueur. 1.5 ounces of lychee nectar, and finally we're just gonna top it out with champagne or prosecco. I'm just gonna mix this a little bit. Alright, time for a taste test. Cheers! Alright, I can tell you right away this is really refreshing. I can taste some lychee notes. It's bubbly with a hint of ginger. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And that's how you make the Lychee Bellini. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!